Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying healthy. My name's Megan, I'm one of the nail techs at Interlocks, and today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite product, Baby Foot. Baby Foot is an exfoliating foot peel that is going to get your feet ready for the warmer weather ahead. We've just been through a very long, dry winter. Maybe your heels are getting a little cracked, maybe your feet are starting to catch on your bed sheets a little bit, maybe they're just not as soft as you want them to be. Baby Foot is going to restart your feet. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. It's actually one of the easiest self-care products you can use while you're stuck at home. The first thing that you want to do is soak your feet to remove any oils or lotion for about 15 minutes. It will help the product work a little more effectively. I've already gone ahead and done this. Now, find yourself somewhere comfortable to relax and let's open up the box. Inside, you'll find the sealed package of Baby Foot booties. They are pre-filled so there's no measuring, mixing, or mess involved. The booties have an outer plastic layer and an inner liner that contains the product. Cut open the top along the dotted line of each booty. Find the middle and slide your foot in. Your Baby Foot kit comes with adhesive strips to secure the booties snugly to your foot. Fold the edges and tape them down. Do the same with the other foot and give them a little squish to work the product around. Sit back and relax for 1 hour. Get your husband to bring you a cup of tea. Maybe watch an episode of Tiger King. Whatever you do, take that hour for yourself. We all need to find a moment to focus on ourselves during this difficult time. Now that you've relaxed with your Baby Foot on for 1 hour, remove the booties to throw away and towel dry your feet so you can safely walk to the bathroom and wash off all remaining residue of the product. Be careful, it can be a little slippery. That's it. No, seriously, that's it. In 5 to 7 days, your feet are going to start to peel and shed that outer layer of skin. It doesn't hurt. In fact, you won't feel it at all. Once it starts peeling, here's the big thing. Do not peel it. I know it's tempting, but let the newly emerging skin cells push out the old dead ones on their own time. It will continue to peel for 5 to 7 days, and then you will have baby soft feet. I know you're gonna love Baby Foot as much as I do. If you want to get your hands on it, you can go to interlocksalon.com. We have a brand new online store and we are offering really convenient curbside pickup. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. We miss you and we'll see you soon.